everyone. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. This was more of a test for me. Obviously, I've used the CNC a lot, but I wanted to try it with the painting, the cutouts, so it's pretty cool. The first part of this video was shot with my iPhone because I actually forgot my memory card at home. So that's why it might be a little shaky or a little lesser quality, but you get the point here. I'm actually just going to make this hang from a pipe frame for shows and different things, and I'll just use some strapping to go around and make it kind of match and look cool. So hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions on the CNC, just let me know or comment below. I use the CNC Shark by NextWave and I love the thing, but there'll be more projects on it in the future. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.